In this video we are going to solve this problem. Here we have a rectangle and a semicircle on top of it, and the perimeter of the figure is 10 meter. The perimeter is 10 meter, and we need to find the dimensions of the rectangle for which the area of the figure is maximum. So let's begin. Let O be the center of the semicircle, so these lengths will be R. And let BC equals AD equals X, so these lengths will be X. Now perimeter of the figure is 10 meter, so let me write it down. Perimeter is 10 meter. So AB is 2R plus BC plus AD, which is 2x, and plus the circumference of the semicircle, which is pi r. The equals to 10. So now let me take out the r common. So r 2 plus pi, and this is equal to 10 minus 2x. That implies that r is equals to 10 minus 2x over pi plus 2. So let's denote the area of the figure as A. So A is equals to 2r into x plus pi r square over 2. Now put the value of r on the above equation. So now we have 10 minus 2x over pi plus 2 is a common factor. So factor it out and then write the remaining. Take the LCM as 2 times pi plus 2. Now cancel the 2 from the numerator. So A will be 5 minus x over pi plus 2 square times 2 pi x plus 8x plus 10 pi. Now differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x. Use the product rule for differentiation. Now multiply the products and then add them. Now we have our r as 10 minus 2x over pi plus 2 and dA dx as minus 4 pi x minus 16x plus 40 over pi plus 2 square. To find the turning points, we need to set dA dx equals to 0. And now we will check that this value of x gives the maxima or the minima of a. So let's do it. Let's do the second derivative test for this. So now we have the breadth of the rectangle and we will find the length of the rectangle. Put the value of x in this equation. We have the value of r and the length of the rectangle will be 2r. The width will be x.